Hello everyone, this is RUDRA Surgical from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Today I am going to show you suction irrigation pump. So let's start this machine. For skip we have to press this button. So this is the display. To set pressure we have to select from here. So set pressure is selected. For upward we have to press this button. To set pressure down we have to press this button. So this is how we can set pressure upside, and for downside we can so for flow rate we have to select through this button. For downward we have to press this, and for upward we have to press this. From here we can change the flow rate, and same setting is applied for set pressure. So let's start this machine. So we have to press irrigation button and then flush button. So here the machine is being started. Now you can see here we have to change the flow rate, so we have to press this button. So flow rate is been selected. For downward we have to press this, and for upward, so you can see here the flow rate is being changed. So flow rate is being down. Now we have to set pressure. So pressure is been down. And for upward, so this is the procedure. And here it is a foot pedal. Through this we can stop the flow. For more details you can contact us. Thank you.